VW World fans, welcome back to the page. Today we are going to replace a blinker bulb on this 2014 Passat TDI. It's this outer one right here. So to get to that, we're of course going to pop the trunk. Don't mind my big old dent on the back. And there's kind of carpet on the back. There's a little square you can remove from your carpet lining, and it gives access to this little point back here. You'll see this white screw, and we'll turn it counterclockwise to loosen it, and we'll take that clip out once we remove the light from the outside. So work at the screw until it pops loose, set that aside, and now we can pull this plastic out, and there you can see the clip. It's got a little red clip on it, so pull that upward, kind of release it, and then you can kind of grab the end here and work it out. Don't mind me as I hold the camera with one hand and try getting this clip out with the other. But then it should release the light housing, and this is what it looks like. So then you have these clips on four sides, and just kind of pull the red outwards, and you can work each side up a little at a time until it clears so it doesn't re-latch. Of course, going to do this with one hand, and let's hope I can get this out. And anyways, I had to set the camera down for a second, but I got each side out, and now this will pull loose. And be careful, there's a rubber gasket in here. We can turn it upside down so it stays seated. And there you can see our bulb, and it is burnt. Yes, she is burnt. But then turn this counterclockwise. I'd have to push down a little bit while you're turning. And there's the bulb. So set that aside, and let's put our new bulb in. Here's some 7506. I believe it's compatible with a 1073 as well. So let's open these up, stick our new bulb in, and then we're kind of going to reverse the process. So line up the little slots with the little metal pieces on the side of the bulb. Give it a turn until it kind of clicks in place. It doesn't want to come out. And make sure that gasket doesn't fall free and stays seated. And we're going to push all the clips back in on each side. Done, done, and done. Make sure it's solid, doesn't want to come loose. And now we're going to put it back in. And just like when we took it out, we're going to want to plug that clip in before we get it all screwed in and tight and fastened. Just pull it out a little. Again, I'm going to try doing this one-handed. Might be a little tough here. Let's see if I can grab it and get it plugged in. And you hear a nice click, and you'll know it's in. Push the red tab in once it's in, and it should lock into place. Now we're going to fit it back into the housing here. Make sure everything looks good on the outside, and then we can screw our white little plastic screw piece back in. And it's as easy as that. We just replace the blinker bulb on a Passat. And before you put your liner back in, make sure everything works. Turn your blinker on, but that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.